Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Vogelfang again. I'm going to show you how to upload your work. A lot of students are having some trouble with that. So first let me show you how to create a document and save it. So click on email, type in your email address and password and then sign in. Once you are signed in, click up here on the waffle. Click on Word. Then you're going to click on New Blank Document. Then you're going to create a document with a heading, and so your name, okay. So write your response and answer the questions, okay? And then you'll go up here to File on the left-hand corner, click on it, and you click Save As, click Save As again, and then you're going to save it as ELA Day 5, okay? And then save to another folder. Okay, then click no, okay, so OneDrive, save. Okay, so it's saved to the OneDrive. Now that it's saved, you're going to go back to upload it onto PowerSchool so your teacher can give you a grade. Okay, so watch me go back to PowerSchool. I'm going back to the Hempstead website. I'm clicking on Power Teacher. I'm going to click on Sign In with Microsoft. You don't want to just write your username and password here. You want to sign in with Microsoft. Okay, then this main page opens. You're going to see your upcoming assignments here. Click View More. Once your assignments pop up, you're going to find the assignment that you just did. So let's say you just did ELA Reading Writing Day 5. You're going to scroll over to the right and you'll see two options, Assignment Details or Upload File. Click on Upload File, and wherever you saved your file, your computer, Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive, that's where you're going to find it. So I saved it to Microsoft OneDrive, so I'm clicking on that. And then I'll find the document that I saved. See, ELA Day 5. And then I'll upload that and click Save. And then my teacher can see my work and give me a grade.